Good morning, children. Today, first, I will tell you one story, children. There are three friends. What are their names? Millie, Joy, and Rahul. They were walking back from the market. A car passed them. A boy threw out an empty packet of chips on the road. Then what happened? The children looked angrily at the car. Millie. There were three friends, no? Out of three, one girl. Millie picked up the empty packet and put it in her pocket. And what she said, children, really, I don't know why people are so careless. Who said these words? These words are said by the Joy. That was pollution. Who said this? Rahul said that was pollution. They do not understand that every bit of it hurts our earth. What? Why Rahul got angry? Because the boy has threw an empty packet of the chips on the road. That's why Rahul got angry on that boy. And in today's lesson, we are going to learn about the handling pollution and disasters. Now tell me, children, what this picture represents. What we can see in this? All the trees have been cut down. Yes, children, you are right. What is this? Cutting down of trees is known as deforestation. And children, deforestation will cause a great damage to our environment. Without the trees, can we imagine how we will get the oxygen? So what we should do, children? We should not cut the trees. Deforestation is one of the factors that has caused an increase in air pollution. If we are going on cutting down the trees, it may increase in air pollution. Then, where we all are living? We all are living on the planet Earth. Earth is our home and is a unique planet. Yet, we often carelessly harm the water, air, and soil that are helping us to live. This is how it happens. We use many resources from the environment to support our increasing population and its need. And as a result, what we are releasing? We release waste into the environment. And what these wastes are doing? These wastes are harming the environment. The contamination. What is the meaning of the contamination? Contamination means pollute or make something dirty. If we are making dirty land, water and air by waste, smoke, chemicals and other harmful substances, that is known as a pollution. And a waste substance that causes pollution is called pollutant. There are four types of pollutions that occurs in areas with large cities and many factories. What are the four main types of pollutions, children? Air pollution, water pollution, soil pollution and noise pollution. How air pollution will cause? What are the causes? Air can also get polluted due to natural causes such as volcanic eruptions, forest fires, sandstorms, and pollen from plants. Human activities also lead to air pollution, and one more cause of the air pollution is factories and transport are major sources of pollution. What factories and vehicles will emit, children? Factories and vehicles will emit smoke, which in most cases contains harmful substances that mix with the air, and we may get health problems caused by air pollution such as cough, headache, and diseases such as lung cancer and skin diseases. And how water will polluted. Water is important for all the living beings. Yes, children, we need water or not? How we are polluting water? We are dumping garbage of all kinds into the water bodies. These causes water pollution, and factories sometimes cause water pollution by dumping oils, poisonous chemicals, and other harmful industrial waste into nearby water bodies. And some other causes of water pollution are not direct. Due to the use of chemical fertilizers in farming is one example. Then, if we will drink contaminated water, what is the meaning of contamination? Dirty water. If we will drink dirty water, it may lead to some diseases such as jaundice, cholera. Let us learn about the causes of how soil pollution occurs. Yes, soil gets polluted if we are using too much pesticides and fertilizers in the soil for growing crops. Soil pollution may also occur when we throw waste from factories, farms, hospitals, and homes in the land. And what is happening? Rainwater washes such waste and carry them deep into the soil. And what will happen? This makes the soil infertile and the underground water contaminated. Then what will happen? Trees also starts dying. Crops will fail and the health of the humans and animals is affected because of soil pollution. And due to the soil pollution, we may cause skin diseases and harm the development of brain and kidney in humans. Next is most important and most important pollution, that is noise pollution. That is a favorite one of all of you, I know. Isn't it, children? Noise pollution is one of the favorite pollution of all of you, I think so. Yes. Noise pollution is caused by any sound that is beyond our comfort level. Comfort level means if it is minimum, then it is okay. If the sound is beyond our comfort level, there may be a chance of losing hearing, and it may be caused by how it will cause, how noise pollution will cause. It may be caused by loud and harsh horns of vehicles. Machines and household gadgets also causes noise pollution, and one of the most important one, bursting of crackers and using loudspeakers during festivals and weddings are also one of the causes for the noise pollution. Okay, children?